Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I will come back another incoming site video. So it's days 139 days. So it's a review uh, uh, review review site. So I want to show its legend or scam site. So I do now I go to when I go to main topic. Before I introduce my channel name is Crypto and Travel News. It's made for crypto related video and other part of travel news. So if you want to income of in online platform, then you can stay with me. Other option travel news. I also uploaded some news, but in future I also description and travel way to Bangladesh and other country. So in this video in my channel, sorry. সো আপনারা আসলে আমাদের এখানে চ্যানেলে জয়েন হয়ে রাখবেন, তো এখান থেকে সব কিছু আপলোড পাবেন। সো please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, then you will get firstly receive any notification. So I also introduced my Telegram group, which made for BTCS, Satoshi, hashcard exchange groups, and also gift card exchange site. So if you want to exchange your core mining hashcard, then please join with me, and your any option, you can share your hash card and also gift card, and you can also collect from gift card and hash card in my Telegram group. So no limit, no restriction. So anyone can join this channel. So now I go to my main topic. It's a Bicloud new mining site. Its total days is 139 days. Previously I was talking, এখানে 139 দিন হয়ে গেছে এবং কতটুকু পে আউট হয়েছে সেটা এখানে শো করতেছে এবং ইউজার কতজন এখানে জয়েন করছে সেটা। So I also joining this site. So how to join this? Please when I also show you how to register it. So but I also register in before days. So I also teach you how to join this. The site disk link option my video. When upload my video uploaded, then this link was added this video description. So আমি যখন আপলোড করব তখন ভিডিও ডিসক্রিপশনে মানে বিবরণ থাকবে। So press the sign up button, or you can also sign up a bonus 5 giga hash option, get a start. So name, email, and also 2 times type password, please. And I am not a robot, and press the button. So I do not this. So I go to my I also login option. Here is the login option. I also save my username and password, so you can also do this. Okay, so this login option. Okay, red captcha. Okay, loading it. So yeah, if when you join this site, you will 170 gigahash power free, 100% capacity. Okay, which with iOS 100% capacity use and capacity available 0. So if you choose any option, any mining option, so I also choose the TRX. So you can joining this site, you can mining. If you deposit option, here is a deposit option. Any amount you can deposit. আপনি এখানে যে কোনো অপশনে চুজ করে ডিপোজিট করে, কিন্তু আপনার মতো করে মিনিমাম এখানে $10 নিচে ডিপোজিট করা নিচে করা যায় না। সো ইউ ক্যান নট ডিপোজিট উইদাউট under $10. Okay, so where use your referral program, please go to your referral program. আপনি এখান থেকে আপনার referral প্রোগ্রামটা দেখতে পারবেন। nobody is joining her with me, so your total balance, yeah, your total balance is 0 when you exchange your withdraw or exchange your dollar, then is we address this balance. সো এখানে আপনি যখন উইথড্র করতে চান তখন এখানে মেইন ব্যালেন্সে চলে আসবে, আপনি যে কোনো মাধ্যমে উইথড্র করতে পারেন। দেখুন আমি একটা অপশন দেখাচ্ছি, হেয়ার ইজ আই শো how many dollar withdraw from this site. Minimum $10. If you when you $10 income from this site, then you will be withdraw from this site. So payout 150 TRX. আপনাদের 150 TRX না হলেও এখান থেকে উইথড্র করতে পারতেছেন। সো 139 দিন হয়ে গেছে। সো আমি মনে করি আপনারা এখানে আর ডিপোজিট বা না করলে সেটা ভালোই হয়। সো আপনারা এখানে আর উইথড্র করেন, কারণ 139 দিন বয়স হয়ে গেছে সাইটটা। এর আগে একই রকম একটা সাইট চলে আসছিল। সো this site is named 139, so it's very risky for mining. Deposit. So I hope you also you can secure your investments. So I also link in my description. Also you have to, as you wish, you can join this site. Show any description in Telegram group. You can join this. So no more today. Please take care of himself. Pray for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.